saw you hanging by the club again. You wore that dress that made you stand out from your friends. I took a moment to hesitate. You had me feeling more than I could comprehend. I wanna tell you.
Okay, I reached KKB station now. There's 13 km to reach the campsite.
So typical, but I can love you when I know it's not enough. Ooh, what you say, babe? 'Cause ooh, drive me crazy. I know you don't wanna be lonely, but you amaze me. Ooh, what you say, babe? 'Cause ooh, drive me crazy. I know you don't wanna be lonely, but you don't wanna be lonely. You don't wanna be lonely, but you don't wanna be lonely, but you don't wanna be lonely, but you don't wanna be lonely.
How's the fried kway teow? How's the fried kway teow? 好不好？
Then we headed to my place.
I stopped here at the Taman Rama. This Bukit Batu Pahat. There's a sign there. I'm exhausted already. Just cycling up the hill. Now, I'll show you something. Alan is opposite there. His hobby is birdie, so he tried to capture some bird photo. Capture any bird? No, all fly already. Hi, good morning. I'm Vincent. I'm now at KKB for camping. This is the campsite. Oh, nice coffee. Okay, I was camping here. My friend is camping on their side, Alan. So yesterday, we learned some mistake. Is suppose we come here very early morning. We cycling to the KTM station around 5:30 because we try to catch the 6 o'clock morning train. But too bad the counter people saying that the train come to KKB is only have 11:40 morning. 11:40 morning. So there's only one, and there's only one come back at 1:30. That's the last train to go back to Subang Jaya. So we got no choice. Since it's too early, then we cycle home, we take a rest first, and then we start to come again on 10 o'clock. We go for breakfast, and then we try to catch the train at 11:40. So it takes us 2 hours to arrive here. By the time when we reach here, it's about 2 o'clock, 10 minutes like that. So then we need to cycle about 13 km to reach this place. But before that, we will stop at the KKB Town there to have a lunch, to recharge our energy before we come here. I make 4 mistakes. First, didn't check the train time. Second, didn't plan properly the campsite. Thirdly, I didn't know the cycling slope was so far and exhausted. And you know, when you're exhausted, you also thirsty, need to drink a lot of water. So I bring my filter. Too bad, I didn't service my filter. So there's a calcium crystal formed inside already, and I can't filter the water, and I can't do anything about it until I press the water, force too much until my plastic also broken already. So I can't directly drink, so it's useless. Luckily, I bring a gas stove to boiling water. If no, it will be very terrible. I don't think I can just drink the river water like that. I may get stomachache. So make sure everything planned properly before coming here, so you will not get so stressed. Okay, how to come here? From KKB, if you are cycling or driving car, it will take about 10 km. You notice on my drone view there's a bridge when I'm cycling. After the bridge, straight away at the right hand side you'll see a signboard and the road is going up. Turn right in. Okay, when you drive in less than 1 kilometer, you will come to a car park area. Okay, and then there's an off-road. You still can drive your car in, but to certain distance only, and you need to walk. So you will walk in about 5 minutes. You will saw something like a bridge, and the side there's a campsite. You will know there's a campsite, so you can go there and camping there. So the campsite here is no facility. It's natural. So if you want to go to toilet or do some business, you have to take your way. Okay, later I will fly my drone. You will see how the view here, the surrounding here is jungle, and there's a river here. So you can take shower, you can take the water for boiling, for drinking, do your cooking or any cleaning here. But make sure clear your rubbish away. Don't leave it here. So we make sure this place is clean for other people to come here to enjoy. Okay, I shall cut it short now. I hope you enjoyed the video. And we are going to catch the train at 1:30. So I'm going to clean out all my things and start my cycling. See you then. And please like my channel and subscribe my channel. Thank you. As I mentioned, this is a bridge. This is the entrance to go to the campsite. Yes, when you come in here, this is off-road. The car cannot come in. There's a bridge. Ciput kena chewing gum. Where is it? Where is it? Ah, I want to go clack 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 clack. Ah. Eat chewing gum also don't know how to throw one. Lobson. Yesterday torture. Yeah. Going down here soon. Very happy. Well, we reached KKB train station now, waiting for our train. Go back and sleep. Bye bye.